All right, so for today's lesson, we're going to take a look at identifying two-dimensional views of solids. This is SOL 8.8. All right, SOL 8.8 says the student will construct three-dimensional models given the top or bottom, side, and front view. The learning target, I can identify and draw two-dimensional views of three-dimensional solids. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is based on the shapes that we've put here. Also, you can also Google shapes if these do not help as well. And given the name of the solid, the net, I want you to identify the front, back, left, right, and top view for each shape. All right, you can work with your elbow partner to do this. So I want you to go ahead and pause the video and draw the front, back, left, right, top, and bottom view for each figure. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So again, my drawing is not 110% and not perfect, but let's just take a look at it. So in terms of cube, if we look at the front view of a cube, we're going to have a square. If we look at the back view, we're also going to have a square. Left view is going to be a square. Right view. Top view. And bottom view. All right. They are all going to be squares. Again, my drawing is not to scale. Please do not judge my drawing and my lines. All right. Rectangular prism. So if we look at a rectangular prism, okay, folding that net up. And again, your views may be different depending on your top, your bottom, and your front, back view. But again, essentially, we'll have all the same shapes. So if we look at the rectangular prism, my front view is going to be my longer rectangle. My back view, which is going to be here, is another longer rectangle. Then if I look at it from my left view, I'm going to have this wider rectangle or horizontal view of rectangle. If I look at it from my right view, I'm going to have that same rectangle. Of course, it's not drawn to scale. All right, so if I look at it from the top view, I'm going to have a little shorter rectangle. And if I look at it from the bottom view, the same shorter rectangle. All right, looking at my square pyramid, when we look at the front view, I'm going to have a triangle. If I look at the back view, I'm also going to have a triangle. My left view is going to be a triangle. My right view is going to be a triangle as well. When I look at it from the top, since it is a square pyramid, I'm going to have a square, which again, is not drawn to scale. And if I look at it at the bottom, again, since it's a square pyramid, I'm also going to have a square. All right. Looking at my cylinder, all right, basing it off of my net. If I look at it from the back view, or excuse me, front view, I'm going to have a rectangle. My back view is going to be a rectangle. Left view, rectangle. Right view, rectangle. But my top view is going to be a circle, and my bottom view is going to be a circle. All right. Looking at the cone from the front view, I'm going to have a triangle. Back view, triangle. Left view, triangle. Right view, triangle. But again, I'm going to have a circle for my top view and a circle for my bottom view. All right. Now looking at the sphere. When we look at the sphere from front, we have a circle. From the back, we have a circle. Left view, circle. Right view, circle. Top view, circle. And bottom view, circle. All right. So let's go look at some discussion questions here. So the first thing I want to ask you is about looking at the net for a sphere. Can you draw a net for sphere? So if you remember back in our chart, the sphere was the only shape that did not have a net. So can we draw a net for a sphere? All right. What are your thoughts on that? All right. And the answer is going to be no. And the answer is no because there are no faces or what we call sides for a sphere. All right. Now it's what do you notice about each of the side views? So looking at all the other shapes, and again, you can see your screen better than mine, but looking at all the other shapes, how does it compare? Or what do you notice about each of the views? All right. So noticing with each of them, you could say in terms of the net involves squares and rectangles. And rectangles for the majority. And you can also say that anything that circles are also included, circles and triangles as well. So this will vary. All right. All right, now let's look at, do all solids have two-dimensional views that are the same? If not, what is an example? All right, and we can definitely say no. All right, and given an example, we can say that a square-based pyramid or the square pyramid has two-dimensional views. I'm just going to put 2D, view that is different. All right, now let's get the drawing again. Again, I'm not an artsy person, so bear with me and my horrible drawings, all right? So number 1 says, use the two-dimensional view to sketch the corresponding net. All right, so looking here, I'm giving a front view of a triangle, back view of a triangle, left view of a triangle, right view of a triangle. My top and bottom views are both squares. All right, so here I know that my bottom view is going to be a square, so I know my base is going to be a square. All right, so my front view is a triangle. My back view is a triangle. My left view is a triangle. And my right view, and I definitely mixed up my left and rights, but my left and right view are both triangles. So here we have a square pyramid. All right, let's look at exercise 2. So now they give us the opposite. So they actually give us the net, like they gave us in the examples, and they want us to draw the views. So again, your views may be different based on the way that you fold the shape, but we will still have these same shapes in the end. So for my front view, so I'm going to include this as my front view. All right, I'm going to have a rectangle. For my back view, I'm going to have a rectangle. For my left view, a rectangle. My right view, a rectangle. My top view, which we can see here, so that's going to be my top view, I'm going to have a square. And of course, my bottom view, I'm going to have a square as well. All right. Now I want you to pause the video and try example 3. So it says, use this description of the solid to sketch its two-dimensional views and net. Description: a cylinder with a radius of 1 centimeter and a height of 3 centimeters. All right, so go ahead and pause the video and draw the net for this two-dimensional figure. All right, since we see here that my front, back, left, and right view, and of course they gave us a hint of a cylinder, I know that I'm going to have a rectangle. All right, And since it is a cylinder, I know that my bottom and my top view are both going to be circles. And of course, mine is not drawn to scale or perfect in any type of way. All right. Now it's time for you to go ahead and summarize what you've learned from today's lesson.